Alright, I'm just picking up where I left off. As I did, I was reordering some images, and you just have to click changes, save changes, and the order will swap, which is really nice and very easy on the images, especially when you have a whole bunch on a property. So the next thing is property type, and property type, I'm using it as single family, multifamily, and etc. You could actually use it for whatever you want. Under theme options, you can rename that category or type. But let's go and just continue calling it single family. Since you're naming it and creating the types, use it for whatever you need to. So that will display right here under property type. And then, so that is how to create a property. It should be very easy. And, we try to make it really flexible so you could just add things and subtract things. Let's see, what should we go over next? Okay. So let's say we're searching, and right now we only have one listing, but let's say we have a whole bunch, and you want to change the number that are showing up per page. Let me actually just add another one so we can actually demo this. Sample property 2. So now we have 2, and let's say we want to cut this off at one per page. So we'll have 2 pages. The way you do that is go under your dashboard and under settings and reading, blog pages show at most. And this will be the same for agent listings and blog posts and real estate listings. It's all the same. It's just built into WordPress. We're using out of the box stuff. So you just manually change this. So let's just put 1, even though it's not realistic. We only have 2, so we kind of need to do that. So let's refresh this, and you've got your. It doesn't look like much because I just left it blank. And then our second one, right here, which is how you would change the pagination right there. And then you can always manage your properties here, and they'll always basically be sorted automatically via latest post at the top. And you can see all your property types here, and I'll go ahead and continue the videos going into the agents in another video set. Actually, I'll go ahead and let's add another property for example's sake. Let's go ahead and add another property, and let's call this one property example last. Let's upload an image. And then remember to set it as use a featured image. I do remember something I left out actually, so I'll get to touch on that. So description here. Let's go ahead and add another category. We'll call this one multifamily, just for example's sake. And you can also publish to multiple types if you want as well. Let me go ahead and pull some sample data from a property. And let's make this for sale. Let's make this one for rent. Alright. Or actually go and let's make it open house. And then open house, you can just type in a date and then when it would be. And then let's publish this baby. And let's view it. And you'll see open house actually has a automatic notification that will display on the listings page as well. And then it will also display the information here, and under the listing open house is tagged there. The last thing that I noticed that I missed out on was in the live preview we demo some additional features. Here's a live preview I dragged in.